Alright, this is the service elevator here at the Wyndham. And it looks like it's seen better days. It's a Dover or a Thyssen or whatever this is. Does it say? Oh, look, it says a Thyssen. Up to 18. Oh boy.
Hello.
Where are you going?
18.
18.
332
Mm-hmm.
61.
Alright, note to self, end the video on 4. When I go back down. These are relay logic, or this is. Actually, shit, I think I can just go to the lobby. Oh, fuck. Probably shouldn't hit 4. No, I'm gonna waste time. Look at these key switches. I've not seen ones like this. Thyssen. Anyway.